Good morning. Today we're going to make some grilled cheese for Mr. Maverick. My name's Ricky and welcome to Ricky's Family Adventures. So here we go. Just a grilled cheese made in an old-fashioned cast iron pan. Wagner 1891 is my favorite one. So yeah, let's start. The butter and the bread. Gonna start by buttering the bread, both sides, one side each I mean. Here we are, whole lot of butter, and do the other slice of white bread. You can use whatever bread you like. I like regular slice of regular white bread. A little bit of butter in the frying pan also. Set this aside. Started the stove at medium-low heat. Cast iron tends to keep your heat once it's hot, it stays hot for a long time. I'm going to go ahead, cut up we have medium cheddar here, white cheddar. Then cut up some slices in thin slices. And that's about it. I double stacked the cheese. Plus I'm gonna eat one too. Very simple, folks. It's not rocket science. It's cooking. Don't be afraid. It's what main trick is for cooking. Don't be afraid. Experiment. You're only the one eating it, right? Try not to poison yourself. Now the butter's melting away. Spread it around the frying pan. Nice even layer of butter. This frying pan I use the most, so it's very well seasoned. And you flip over your slice of bread on the butter side. The other side is no butter. And you spread the cheese. Here, I'll bring you in. There's the one slice of bread with the cheese sliced. Very thin slices. And there's the other slice of bread in the frying pan. If the camera would zoom, or focus I should say, not zoom. Sorry, it's a tablet I'm using. So yeah, I've gone ahead, one layer of cheese, and then we're gonna put a second layer. Mr. Maverick likes his cheese, I believe. And he is lactose. But he's a baby, so he's building his immune system. And you put the other slice of bread on top. And then you let it cook. on the one side. It's very simple. It's a grilled cheese. Check underneath. It's not ready yet. Well, you can go ahead and flip it. He's a baby, so you want to keep your grilled cheese soft. He does have a lot of teeth. They're not all grown in yet, but he's 14 months old, so he's got some teeth. I think around like 6 or 7 now. And don't be afraid, go ahead and squeeze it, let it cook. As you can tell, this is medium heat. Focus. Focus, hocus pocus. Now it is getting warm, so I'm gonna lower my heat a little bit. Let this cook. It's getting to be golden brown. Obviously, if you want to go a little bit faster, you can. I could have left my heat to a higher setting like it was at medium, but as you see, it's cooking along very well. So just a couple more minutes and it should be ready. Like I said, he's a baby still, so you don't want to overcook it. You don't want to burn it. Rather be a little bit slower and not burn. Easier to control. See, doesn't take long. I like to squeeze it so it melts the cheese inside on both sides. I put double layers, right? And that's gonna be ready. And go ahead and turn off the heat. Please like and subscribe and share if you haven't already. You'll be greatly appreciated. And there we are. I call that ready. So, thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.